Hi, good day. Ako po si Dr. Joyce Pascaran, isang pediatrician sa Medical City, South Luzon. So, ano nga ba tong pertussis? At bakit ba muna natin to pag-uusapan? Number one, it's because sobrang daming kaso ngayon ng pertussis. Una itong na-report sa Quezon City or sa Metro Manila. However, recently, nakakita na tayo ng mga kaso dito sa Laguna at na-i-declare na nga ang state of calamity ng pertussis. But, of course, we're here to educate you para hindi kayo mag-panic and alam ninyo ang gagawin kapag nakakita kayo ng mga ganitong signs and symptoms. So, ano nga ba ang pertussis o ang mas kilala sa tawag na whooping cough? So, i-discuss muna natin kung ano yung meaning ng word na pertussis. So, ang pertussis ay derived sa two words, per meaning extreme, and tussis meaning cough. So, it's really extreme coughing. Ang cause ng pertussis ay bacteria. Tandaan po ninyo, ito ay bacteria. Gagamitin natin ito later sa pag-discuss ng paggamot ng pertussis. So, ang bacteria na ito ay Bordetella pertussis or Bordetella parapertussis. Paano nga ba kumakalat ang pertussis, no? So, para tong chismis. Hindi. Para it spreads through respiratory droplets just like COVID, no? So, pag humaching or pag umubo. So, ano nga ba ang mga simptomas ng pertussis? So, kapag ayan, bumahing na tayo, tumilamsik ang bahing or ubo, kakapit ito sa atin. So, you expect that pertussis will incubate for around 3 to 12 days. So, medyo matagal. Meron itong tatlong stages. First stage, which is the catarrhal phase. During this phase, pinaka-prominent ang super masipon, as in parang gripong tumutulos ang sipon. Pwedeng maglagnat, but most of the time, hindi rin sila nilalagnat. At this point, meron din silang occasional pa lang na dry cough. At here, makikita ninyo apnea. So, ang apnea ay nakikita sa maliliit na bata who are the most vulnerable for pertussis kasi ang mga newborns ay wala pang immunity to pertussis. So, ang apnea ay paghinto huminga. That's why, if a 3-month-old or less than 3 months, kapag may suspected pertussis, nire-require silang ma-admit sa hospital. Ang susunod na phase ay ang paroxysmal stage. Ito ay nangyayari 2 to 6 weeks after nag-start ang inyong first symptom na pagsisipon ng sobra. So, bakit ito tinawag na paroxysmal stage? It's because ang hallmark nito ay ang paroxysmal cough. Kung nung unang stage ang cough ay occasional lang na tuyo, at this stage, dito nalalabas ang meaning ng pertussis or ang extreme coughing bouts. Ang tunog nito ay mapapakinggan nyo dito sa video na ito. Kung sa extreme coughing bouts, dito rin lumalabas dahil nga extreme, parang nagbu-blue na sila sa sobrang hirap umubo or sometimes sobrang namumula na rin yung mata nila. So, ito yung mga ibang makikita ninyo dyan, no? Ganito ang usual na itsura ng mga batang may pertussis, no? Makikita nyo dito sa isang picture, parang dumudugo na yung mata. But, really, hindi naman lalabas yung dugo na yan. It's just that pumutok na ang mga ugat sa mata. Wala usually ginagawa, but you'll just observe it will resolve on its own. Nakikita nyo parang blue na yung labi, ang dila dahil sa sobrang hirap. At bukod sa pag-iiba ng kanilang mga kulay sa muka, dahil sa sobrang ubo, nasusuka na rin sila. So, ang third phase ay ang convalescent stage. So, ang coughing ng pertussis can last for a very long time. So, you can see here, it's around 6 to 12 weeks pa before talaga siya fully mag-heal, no? So, it's a very long illness. Doc, hanggang kailan po kaya ako nakakahawa? So, you'll see here a graph, no? So, makikita niyo yung mga binanggit kong phases kanina, incubation period, catarrhal, paroxysmal, at convalescent. You are infectious from the start of your rhinorrhea or nung sipon hanggang 3 weeks na nag-uubo ka ng malala. So, around that stage, no? Ang general reminder would be that if you have respiratory symptoms, it's best to wear a mask or better yet, stay at home para lang hindi tayo makaspread ng ganitong infection. Doc, paano ko malalaman kung pertussis nga ba ito or ibang sakit? So, we have tests to say whether this is pertussis or not, no? So, we can do a CBC, multiplex testing, or yung respiratory panel o BioFire ang tawag, But ang gold standard would be a nasopharyngeal culture. So both the multiplex testing and the nasopharyngeal culture are parang swab, parang pag nagtitest sa COVID, no? As doctors, we diagnose this mainly on like, ano yung mga simptomas nila, like, because there's a really characteristic cough na katulad nung nakita nyo sa video kanina. So, Doc, paano ba ito ginagamot? So, naaalala nyo kanina, ang pertussis ay caused by a bacteria. So, therefore, ang gamot dito ay antibiotics, ang favorite nating lahat, okay? But hindi ko sasabihin kung anong antibiotic. You need to consult your pediatrician or your physician for this because it's the dosage is based on the weight of your child. So antibiotics not only for the child but also for the family and those who in close contact with the infected child. So dapat lahat ng na-expose dun sa batang may pertussis mabibigyan ng gamot para hindi na ito kakalat at hindi na rin magkakaroon ng simptomas yung mga na-expose. Bukod sa antibiotics, of course, kailangan ng droplet isolation. Sanay na tayo dito dahil sa COVID, diba? Parang we need to wear a mask and frequent hand washing. As I mentioned a while ago, for the little ones, we need to admit them for those who are less than 3 months old because we want to monitor kung kailan babagal ang heart rate nila, kung kailan sila hindi parang hihinga. Like, that's what apnea is po, no? Paano to iniiwasan? Of course, it's also our favorite, immunization. So, their immunization for the kid and also for the adults, no? So, I'll discuss with you the paano nga ba sineschedule ang pagbabakuna ng pertussis. Makikita nyo dito sa video, merong total na 5 na stops itong Bs na to, no? So, ang first primary doses or dun sa 6 to 14 weeks old ay yun yung 6-in-1 sa mga private pediatricians or if sa health center nyo ito kukunin, 5-in-1 or pentavalent, no? DTP ang pangalan ng bakunang ito, meaning diphtheria, tetanus, and pertussis, no? So, it's first given at 6 weeks and then the next dose is at around 10 weeks and the third dose, it's around 14 weeks, no? The next dose would come in as parang what we call a booster, but not really a booster because later on, makikita ninyo na you'll only be fully immunized if you get the 5 doses, no? So the booster dose, the first booster dose is at 12 to 18 months or pag nag-birthday na yung anak nyo ng 1-year-old, no? So, reminder yun sa inyo na may bakuna na naman si baby kailangan, okay? And then the next one would be at 4 to 6 years old. That's the 5th dose already. And this, ang magre-remind sa inyo nito ay kapag papasok na si baby sa kinder. So, at around that age, he or she needs another dose. And this is the only time na masasabi natin na fully immunized na talaga ang inyong anak. So, another type of vaccine is Tdap. It's also the same. It contains diphtheria, tetanus, and pertussis. But this one is formulated for the older age group, no? So, a booster should be given to your child at around 11 years old. And for the pregnant women, at around 27 to 36 weeks, you should get a shot before you deliver your baby. Kailan? It's every pregnancy. You should get 1 shot every time you get pregnant. Okay? And then for the adults, for the elderly naman, anytime, if wala pa kayong immunization nito, ever. And then you get this only every 10 years. So, yun yung immunization schedule natin for the kids and the adults, no? So, that's the schedule for your immunization. Now, I know you're very curious, saan nyo ba ito makukuha? And tuwing kailan nyo ba ito makukuha? The vaccines are always available here at the Medical City South Luzon. You can inquire with your pediatricians. Your pediatricians can also give shots for the adults because since it's our bread and butter, we can give it to you at any time. So there, if you have questions or concerns other than pertussis, of course, anything about your child, you can consult with us here at the Medical City South Luzon. Thank you!
If you like this video, please follow our FB page and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more health videos.
And don't forget to hit the notification bell.